Water?
Check.
Snacks?
Check.
Sun protection?
Check.
Let's go hiking!
We drove to John Forest National Park located in the Perth Hills, about 30 minutes east of Perth City. John Forest Park is one of Australia's oldest conservation areas and Western Australia's first national park. The park offers excellent bushwalking, cycling along the Railway Research Heritage Trail, and scenic drives. Hi guys! So it's Saturday and we've decided to go for a hike, and it's my first hike. So I'm very excited, but of course I'm in full gear. I already have my hoodie, but I still have this one, and yeah. So we are here, and we'll do a 4.5 kilometers hike, and then we'll pass here and we'll go to Swan View Tunnel.
Oh, my love.
Huh?
We'll do a different one on the other map.
Another map.
Around the side here.
Next time we'll go there. Wildflower Walk?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll go here at Wildflower Walk. So let's go and explore this forest.
John Forest National Park was named after Western Australia's first Premier, John Forest, who was Premier from 1890 to 1901. There are 7 walking trails in total at the National Park, ranging from a few hundred metres around the picnic area up to 16 kilometres for the Eagle View Trail.
We spotted kangaroos in the park. This female kangaroo had Joey in her pouch. They are commonly seen around the picnic areas. Roos are friendly here. You can touch them too, but it looks like this fella needs a bath.
This bridge is part of a railway that was built in the 1890s that ran through the national park. In the 1960s, the railway was diverted further north, and the old railway line is now part of the walking trails. Are you having fun yet, love?
Yeah, I think I prefer hiking than doing park run. I love it. You can see different kind of trees everywhere and some unknown plant species. Yeah, I love it. It's very nice here. It's peaceful. Yeah, it's nice for unwinding also. So you guys who want some unwinding, those who are living in Perth, you can maybe try some. You'll try to hike. here, but unfortunately they are not fruit-bearing trees.
Yeah, on a day like this, we really wanted some buko trees. Imee could climb up and fetch them for us.
It was a wonderful walk, quite few hills, but I'm not disappointed with my first hiking experience. There are also plenty of spots along the way for Instagram-worthy pictures or beautiful photos for Facebook. And here's my guapo model!
Here we are at Hovea Waterfalls, but it's summer, so there's no water.
The Hovea Falls are seasonal and dependent on rainfall. It usually flows from the beginning of winter to around the end of October. The park covers more than 2,500 hectares of land. They created nature playground. The play space enhances and blends with the natural landscape and beauty of the park. A little further down, the brook has been dammed to create a pool area, but unfortunately, swimming is not recommended. Yes! I'm officially a hiker now! Nakakapagod ka lang na.
Ganun talaga.
Pero nakaka-enjoy! Yeah!
You know what we're doing.
That's a blooper. C'est right, Dazza! With an Aussie accent.
Kiss Joy.